Copy-paste. Earn $1,000 every day. Welcome back to our channel, where we investigate fascinating online income opportunities. We cover a fascinating subject in today's episode that has many prospective business owners interested. Copy and paste. Do you truly can make $1,000 every day by just copying and pasting? It may sound too good to be true. Let's explore this idea and discover its underlying reality. Let's take a moment to define the term copy-paste strategies before we discuss how to earn $1,000 per day using these techniques. In the digital sphere, the phrase copy-pasting has spread like wildfire and is frequently understood to mean efficiency and simplicity. Copy-paste, however, has a different meaning when it comes to making money online. Leveraging current tools, processes, or tactics to increase your earning potential is referred to as copy-pasting in the context of revenue generation. Finding tested strategies and applying them to your own online endeavors will help you save time, effort, and money. It's important to understand that copying and pasting does not equal mindless repetition. It involves comprehending the fundamental ideas and tailoring them to your unique objectives and target market. Copy-pasting tactics have become popular in the world of making money online because they provide a quick route to achievement. It's crucial to approach copy-paste, though, with the appropriate attitude. It's not about being lazy or avoiding hard work. It's about utilizing tried-and-true strategies and customizing them to fit your set of circumstances. Depending on the internet company model or industry you're in, copy-pasting might take many different shapes. It may involve using established systems that have worked for others, employing pre-designed templates, or using tested marketing efforts. Online plagiarism is equivalent to standing on the shoulders of giants. It enables you to pick up knowledge from people who have gone before you and use their methods in your own projects. It's important to keep in mind, though, that copying and pasting is just the beginning. You must apply your imagination and invention if you want to achieve in the long run. For individuals who are unfamiliar with the world of online commerce, copy-pasting has the appeal of saving time and effort. It offers a framework on which you can construct and personalize your own distinctive strategy. It's crucial to strike a balance between utilizing pre-existing tactics and adding your own ingenuity too. Copying and pasting should be considered a tool in your toolbox, not a quick route to financial success. Success still needs commitment, diligence, and ongoing education. Copying and pasting has potential drawbacks. Although it provides a jumping-off point and insightful information, it's crucial to avoid the pitfall of depending only on what others have done. To distinguish out in the digital environment, adaptation and customization are essential. You must comprehend your target market, recognize their needs, and adjust your strategy accordingly. So bear that in mind as we explore the world of copy-pasting techniques for making $1,000 each day. It's not a quick fix to success. It's a tool that, when utilized properly, may speed up your progress, help you obtain new knowledge, and save time. Your capacity to adapt, invent, and contribute your own special perspective is what truly makes you valuable. Copy-paste tactics can be highly effective in the world of e-commerce for streamlining your processes and increasing your profitability. Let's look at some efficient copy-paste techniques designed especially for the realm of online selling. Making engaging product descriptions and listings is one of the most time-consuming e-commerce activities. However, by using pre-made templates or descriptions, you can save a lot of time and effort. Analyze the structures of successful listings in your niche. Do some research on them, and then modify them to emphasize the salient features of your own products. Don't forget to optimize and customize these templates to reflect your brand's personality and appeal to your target market. In the realm of e-commerce, pasting product descriptions is a game changer. It permits you to maintain top-notch listings while concentrating on other important facets of your company. To differentiate yourself from the competition, just make sure to include your own brand personality and unique selling propositions in the descriptions. It might be difficult, especially for novices, to create efficient advertising campaigns and interesting email marketing sequences. However, you may benefit from their copywriting skills, call-to-action plans, and audience targeting by analyzing successful advertisements in your sector. Utilize their strategies as a model and modify them to fit your own goods and services. You may save time and improve the likelihood that your campaigns will resonate with your target demographic by utilizing tested formulas. For e-commerce business owners, copying and pasting effective advertising campaigns and email sequences is a wise decision. It eliminates the need to start from scratch and enables you to draw on tried-and-true methods. Remembering the background can help you tailor the material to your own brand's voice and audience preferences. Social media platforms provide e-commerce enterprises with several options to engage with their target market and increase sales. You can get ideas for your social media material from popular accounts in your sector. Examine their posting etiquette, content delivery methods, and interaction tactics. Adopting their tried-and-true strategies and tailoring them to fit your business will help you improve your social media presence and draw in a devoted audience. Copy-paste tactics aren't just for online shopping. They also apply to digital goods and freelancing services. Let's look at some real-world instances of copy-paste strategies you may apply to increase your revenue in these fields. Time is money, whether you provide graphic design, writing, or web development services. Consider building a library of reusable templates and materials as an alternative to constructing the wheel from scratch for each new project. For instance, you may create a collection of standardized project briefs, customer contracts, or proposal templates. You can save a lot of time while still conducting your freelancing work with professionalism and consistency by copying, pasting, and customizing these documents. Copying and pasting templates for freelancing work has revolutionized my company. It enables me to send out proposals right away, swiftly answer client inquiries, and clearly define expectations. I'll be able to concentrate more on producing high-quality work and expanding my clientele by reducing these administrative responsibilities. Copy-pasting techniques can be used in many areas of your business if you produce digital goods like ebooks, online courses, or software. You may use content that already exists to make new goods or modules, for instance. In a similar vein, you can advertise your digital services using tested email templates or sales page templates. You may save time and guarantee uniformity across your whole product range by utilizing these already existing resources. Copy-pasting can be quite important in terms of marketing and promotion. Start with effective landing page templates, social media ad copy, and email marketing campaigns. Make these resources specific to your business's needs and target market. You can maximize your marketing initiatives and increase traffic and sales by utilizing tested marketing tactics. While copy-paste techniques may save time and have possible advantages, it's crucial to think ethically and be mindful of any dangers. Copy and paste techniques shouldn't be used as a crutch to delay development and progress. Strive to improve your abilities and broaden your expertise as you gain more experience and information in your profession. Even though copying and pasting can be a useful technique, it's crucial to constantly researching, trying new things, and developing as a content writer. Your templates and resources should be updated and improved frequently to match current trends and industry best practices. Respecting copyright and intellectual property rights is essential when using copy-paste techniques. Without proper authorization or attribution, copying content can result in legal problems and harm your online reputation. Although copying and pasting content could be appealing, it's important to respect intellectual property rights. To use copyrighted content, make sure you have the appropriate licenses or permits. Always give credit where credit is due. These rules can have serious repercussions if ignored. Copying and pasting should never involve valueless replication. Customizing and improving the copied aspects to make them distinctive and relevant to your target audience is essential for the success of any online business. Although copying and pasting can save time, it's crucial to keep in mind that success resides in customization and value addition. Use the copied components as a starting point, then customize them to fit your brand, target market, and USP. Finally, copy-paste techniques might be useful tools in specific online business models like affiliate marketing and dropshipping. It's important to approach them responsibly and to refrain from slavishly replicating them without any personalization or added value. Keep in mind that giving your audience with distinctive and worthwhile experience is essential to success in the online age. Use copy-paste tactics to get started, but always work to innovate and set yourself apart from the competitors. That is all on the copy-paste idea for making $1,000 a day. We trust that this talk was useful and that you now have a clearer grasp on how copy-paste techniques might be applied to internet business. If you liked this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to receive updates.